So now with me I have one of the finest Indian actresses, and she's a producer too. She's the wife of one of the most loved Indian cricketer Virat Kohli. So let's welcome today Anushka Sharma with us. So how are you, Anushka?
I am fine. What's about you?
I'm also good. So my first question to you is, why did you want to become an actor?
It was my childhood dream, and I love to I love acting and storytelling. When first time I got my chance, I knew what was I want to do.
Yes, definitely. And we already got to know that you were so inclined towards the Bollywood that you used to dance at your home and things like that. That's very great. Okay, so my next question is, what was your first movie and how did you feel acting in that?
Uh, my first movie was Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi.
Yes.
It was with Shah Rukh Khan, and I was little nervous, but I was super excited to do this film.
Okay. Yeah, Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, you seemed a little bit nervous there, but still everybody liked your character. Like you were a simple, a housewife kind of character, and then you suddenly changed into one who is, really stylish, passionate, things. So we really loved that movie. Okay, what's your favorite movie that you have acted in?
I love all the movie which I have shooted till now, but NH10 it was special because I have played a very tough role, a very tough character in that movie.
And if I'm not wrong, you are the producer of that movie, right?
Yeah.
It was the first movie that you have produced. Yeah, very nice. So, how do you prepare for a movie role when it comes to you?
I read scripts, I practice of my dialogues, and I also learn new something new like horse riding or action of this movies.
Okay, so that must have been a really nice experience for you to learn something new in your life. Very nice. Okay, how do you? Okay, my next question is, who is your favorite actor or actress in the Bollywood industry?
My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan because he is very talented and kind, and he make when we shoot. I have shooted with him. So when I was shooting with him, he make me comfort, and he was very soft hearted and
Yeah, he's very, like, he is someone who makes everybody comfortable around him, and he is very warm and talented by heart. Now, how do you balance your work and your career together?
I planned my proper timetable. I spend my I can manage both my movie when I shoot, and I also spend my time with my family.
Yes, now you have two kids, and it must be really difficult to manage both the things together, but you do it quite fantastically, and we really appreciate your hard work.
Thank you.
Uh, what do you love most about being an actress?
What do you love about being an actress? I love
There must be a lot of things that you do on your sets, enjoying, dancing, talking.
I like to do the I like to do the role which I have formed, and new thing I like to do, and I like to entertain people in the doing films.
Yeah, that's very important. Like if an actor or actress is himself or herself is enjoying what's happening around, and the sets and the roles, then only he or she can entertain the people, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, he or she needs to be that confident. Okay, besides acting, what else do you do?
I manage my company.
Okay.
I produce film, and I also spend some quality times with my son and daughter.
Yeah, that's very nice. What's the biggest challenge you have ever faced in your career?
Proving this film industry in the tough the
Huh.
like that.
Okay, so you have not come from a Bollywood background. You have, like, none of your family members has ever been in the Bollywood industry, and you were completely new to the industry when you entered this.
Yeah.
But right now, like it doesn't seem like nobody can say that you are from a non filmy background, because you acted so well and you have inclined yourself too much in this industry that nobody can judge this, right? My last question to you is, what advice would you give to the kids who want to become actor or actresses?
Always enjoy your what you want to be, or always enjoy your life, believe in yourself, and do lots of fun doing acting.
Yes, yes. That's something we really need, because right now the kids have a lot of pressure from their families, from their from their guardians, that whatever career you are gonna choose, it should be best. But because of this, they can't even choose the career which they are passionate about. So they don't generally go to the Bollywood industry, and they
Yeah.
just go for a job or maybe for a business. So this is something you have given a very nice direction to them. It was nice talking to you. It was very warm interview I have ever taken with an actress, and I really hope that we're gonna meet again soon. So yeah, thank you, thanks a lot.